Okay, let's go.
Wow!
Extra GOA TED.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't.
I know you belong.
Take my sunshine away. The other night, dear.
Extra, extra. Here we have Yvette, Pierce, Nam, Alyssa, Vicky, who is a director, Mia, and Andrew.
Wait. Like a little bit more, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We love being extra wide. We love this team. Yes, we love this team.
Can't be bothered, you ain't my fault.
acting bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. 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 I'm prophetic, they only talk about it, how I get it. Only pay for saving face, seen the cosmetics. How many hands I gotta take to level my aesthetics? Hurry up and get your muscle up, we up the plyometric. Go ran up by the lux and that's up the highest metric. The city just made it sweet, you could diabetic. They mouth you full of deceit, they just tell us to